What is in your makeup bags?
I don't know.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Can we have a look?
This is just what I pull every time I go to do my makeup.
Okay. Amazing.
Was I only supposed to bring one?
No, like
Okay.
whatever. It's supposed to be whatever you use, kind of like day to day, or whatever.
Okay.
You know, whatever.
Will I tell you what, even though like it's full of makeup, what like my main ones
what
that I
you
pull
use?
for?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'd say the whole of Ireland has pulled this first. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
It's just
Yeah.
amazing. Okay, so it would be like
That's first.
always my base after SPF, even though it's SPF 30, but
Okay.
I always put a 50 on underneath. Foundation. So I got sent these actually.
Okay.
And I would buy again. Have you ever used Merit?
No.
Oh, okay. This is tinted mineral sunscreen,
Okay.
right? And you know the way usually, like, what I loved about this is usually with the tinted moisturizer it says like and SPF, but they like advertise this as tinted sun cream
Okay.
as opposed to
So it's an SPF with a tint in it.
Yeah.
Rather than the other way around.
exactly.
Kind of thing. Yeah.
So like it's 50.
Okay.
Like it's like putting factor 50 on your face, but it's really nice.
Is this the color?
So they sent me like two, but
Okay.
they are quite dark, but you kind of, I would use them as like a foundation.
Okay.
So you don't really need much bronzer on over it.
Okay.
Look how perfect that matched your skin.
Sent for me.
I mean, you can have it if you
Okay,
want.
thanks.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, it
So-
feels really nice.
If I wasn't doing, like, I'm either all glam or I'm Adam Sandler.
Okay.
So I'm right now Adam Sandler, and then I will be all glam.
Okay.
So like I don't do like medium.
Okay.
I just like I don't do like the eyebrows and a bit of mascara.
Yeah.
Like I just
All or nothing.
I'm all or nothing.
Okay.
So that would be if it was really really hot and I had to do my makeup,
Mhm.
because I just don't like the feel of like a thick foundation.
Yeah.
But then this would be my absolute go-to.
Okay. Yeah. Gorgeous.
Like this is an ad for Poco Beauty. Janie Ma. And then there's like two different shades of that, so I would use this one in the day and then that one like for a more tanned nighttime.
Okay.
This.
I love that. Yeah.
It's my favourite.
Yeah. It's gorgeous.
So that's my concealer. And then I kind of, okay, so I've loads of them.
Yeah.
They are
These
the
are also
best.
another like in everyone's.
Which is amazing because
Yeah.
I love having Irish
I
in my
know.
bag. So like there's loads of these, but I would, I love doing my eyebrows. I think it's probably because I am an artist, because I've had Kim be like, let me do your eyebrows, as in like have them done.
Yeah.
I'm like, no, because I actually love that no makeup
Mhm.
is no makeup.
Yeah.
I'm not having anything filled in.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I just really enjoy doing
Yeah.
makeup.
I
Like,
was gonna say, I feel like you're really good at it because you're such a good artist.
well, thanks. I actually think you should start painting
Okay.
and see what happens
That's
on
fun.
a canvas.
That's too soft.
But do you have your eyebrows done?
No.
No. Do you?
No.
Because do you like doing them?
I did. I spoke to. Do you know Lizanne Proctor?
No.
She's a makeup artist as well, and she's doing like kind of like fee brows and stuff like that. And I have thought about it just because I like that. I don't wear makeup when I'm not working or going somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm like, would it be nice to just have a little bit of
I don't know.
definition?
I
know.
kind of like the softness
Yeah,
of
yeah.
a face without
yeah.
anything on.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. No, I do know what you mean. Yeah.
Like I'd love to have like colour on my lips all the
Mm.
time, but then again I'm like I do like the kind of, and then also raising a daughter, I'm also thinking like I'm like now embracing my natural frizzy curly hair because she's like watching me straightening my hair and she's got such mad curly hair.
I sound like I would love a curl on my
Oh no, it's like a frizz. I'm Monica from Friends,
No,
but I'm
I
actually
love
embracing
that.
it.
Just texture and fullness.
I'd say on a camera it looks so. I've never actually worn it like this on a camera, but here we are. We are embracing ourselves at 40. Okay, every time
Okay.
the brow tox.
Yeah.
Have you used this?
Yes. Yeah.
It's this thing. What do you call these? Spoolies? Is it?
Yeah.
No. Is it? that
Well,
one?
I don't know if it's on that. Yeah.
So like you brush it here first and then kind of pat it down with that.
Yeah.
Lift and lock. That's what it does. It actually does feel like you've a bit of a lift.
Yeah.
So good. And then, so if I'm going for like a really thick brow, like if I was like going to like the VIP awards, that's the last time I got really dressed up, so that's what's fresh in my head.
Yeah.
I did my makeup and I went like really thick, so I do like just the regular,
Yeah.
and then I'd go in with like this one
Okay.
on top
Yeah.
and have like a dark eyebrow. But usually I would just do a little bit of this
Okay.
and fill it in.
Yeah. Okay.
My eyebrows are tricky, so I'm excited to see what you do with them.
Okay.
Do you use Hilden?
I do use Hilden and I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing. But my base is actually, oh, is she here? Yes. Another Irish, Sarah.
Carey. Okay.
Love
yeah,
Sarah.
Yeah. Same.
So this is like a, have you used this?
No, I haven't used
Ooh, this is great.
Okay.
It's pretty much like just a natural brown.
Okay.
You know the way like I'd like to always do a bit, like I probably do my makeup completely wrong actually. You're probably like, what the fuck? But I just pull usually with like this is a great palette. Like just a tan or even with bronzer.
Yeah.
And then building on that, if I want to do a sparkle, I'll put a bit darker, is that right?
Yeah.
I've always just done that,
Okay.
just because I thought that's what you do.
Yeah.
And then a sparkle in the middle.
Okay, yeah, it's kind of the real, like the dark, the light, and the
So
yeah,
I
yeah.
have never changed the way I do my makeup since
Okay.
probably I was 21.
I know, but we all do that. Like,
Except with
yeah.
thick eyeliner.
Yeah.
Don't really do that as much.
Okay.
I do like a little bit of brown if I'm doing a flick, but I used to love
Big,
big,
eyeliner,
thick liquid eyeliner.
Yeah.
And like the longer it went, like.
Yeah.
So this I'm loving as a base.
Okay.
And then I love to build with Hilden and Charlotte. So I use Charlotte, the brown, dark brown, just in the crease.
Okay. Okay.
And then where's me? Hilden, sugar almond. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Like a kind of a shimmery.
Okay. Okay.
And then if I was to go wild, I'll like then add like more
Okay,
glitter or
okay.
sparkles.
Okay.
So can I just say, is the way, the order I do makeup, I think is so wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
I
so I'll tell you.
love seeing how people do it and the order that they do
So
it and
it's
then how it
so
turns
wrong.
out.
Like a makeup artist, you're going to be like,
But you see, there is no right or wrong. It's whatever works for you.
I think I'll learn from you that it's like so wrong.
So what order? So
Okay,
you do,
so far I would be okay, so my SPF is on, like only a light one.
Yeah.
Poco Beauty, this,
Okay.
all over the face. Then the foundation or just the tinted,
Yeah.
whichever one I'm doing. Then concealer.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, and then powder.
Yeah.
So we've missed the powder. Yes, there's, oh no, that's the bronzer. The Laura Mercier.
Yeah.
So then powder, dab, dab, dab. Then, so powder, bronzer,
Yeah.
all over the face.
Yeah.
And then
Like literally
all
everywhere.
over the face.
Okay.
I know, no, I know. Like
No, but
I don't
yeah, it's
contour.
just- Well, you'll get more like nice shape on your face. You
That's
know?
probably why I have such a round face in photos. Like I'm like, I just
like everywhere.
everywhere,
Just the
everywhere, and then
Okay.
a little bit more, but everywhere.
dots. Okay.
Hate when they don't match as well.
Yeah, yeah.
And BioFresh,
Okay.
it's Bella Pierre, but it's from an Irish company, BioFresh. Then highlighter,
Yeah.
Sarah Carey. Do you use this?
I haven't used the highlighter. I do use
Oh.
her stuff though.
Best,
Oh.
best.
Oh yeah, no. I
Best,
use
best,
those.
best.
Gorgeous.
So like I put highlighter, I literally go doing, doing, doing,
Yeah.
and then this is probably so old fashioned now, is it?
No.
Like I don't know why I do it, it's just habit.
Yeah, yeah.
And that, is that probably?
No, again, like no, it's not.
But I don't know what I'm doing it for. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's for the contour. So like anything you shade is gonna make it look smaller. Anything you highlight makes.
See, I'm probably just doing it all like shit. I'm probably doing the wrong way around. So like if I do that, it makes it look smaller.
Yeah. So like if you're gonna, if like your nose is absolutely perfect, you don't need to do
I know,
anything on it.
she's big, but I
But
like a strong nose.
generally, like you do shading down the side and on the tip, and
Oh,
then
to
the
get that
high- yeah.
kind of nose job look.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. So
it
you're
hasn't
not
worked
doing it
really,
wrong.
because I will do the mascara.
Yes.
And this mascara is amazing.
Yes.
But I've only started using this recently because she only came out with it recently. But this would be another one of my
Okay. Yeah.
the spoolie on this. Is that what they're called?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this. I don't know what it is about it.
Okay. I've never
It's
used that
thin.
one.
It's juicy.
Double wear. Okay.
Estee Lauder. How do you say that?
Estee Lauder. Yeah.
Lauder.
Yeah.
Estee Lauder.
I've never used that.
Really good.
Okay.
And then this is the bigger one. sumptuous, which extreme, which I also like, but I find I feel like they get clumpy.
Okay.
I like, these are cool, these are cute, and these are merit. So like just an everyday kind of, that's a bit dark. That's good for the lips actually. A great bronzer.
Okay.
Oh, it's like a dupe for
That's the Chanel. Yeah, that's what it reminded me
and
of.
it
Yeah.
smells like summer.
Yum. Yeah.
That's a great one actually.
Okay.
Coco.
Yeah.
But she's winning.
Yeah.
Also Trini. Trini has one of my favorite lip gloss. Yeah, that one. So, okay, I'll play around.
Yeah.
That's like actually she just came out with these.
Oh, these are the new ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is like a kind of a more softer, like bit of a dusty rose.
Okay. Yeah,
But this sky is my absolute favorite.
Gorgeous.
It's
yeah.
like Malibu, fucking
Yeah.
hot pink.
Yeah.
Only a little goes a long way, but like it's
Gorgeous.
fire on the
Okay.
cheeks.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
And then lips would be like a lip liner, which I don't have in my makeup bag.
Okay.
And then something like filled in for a bit of gloss. But no, I do love my favorite is the MAC. I don't have it, it's in my handbag, not my makeup bag. Teddy.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
I
Perfect.
think. Well, there's loads of other stuff in there, but like, yeah. Okay.
So today, like, do you
We're
want
not
me to
gonna
do like
No, do an everyday.
an everyday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do like a soft.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do
Yeah.
like an everyday
Yeah.
soft kind of.
Like I'll do some soft liner on your eye just to make them really stand out, but
Okay.
I won't do like a full
Yeah.
smoky eye.
Do whatever you think.
No, I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. No, I've been without you for all this time. Good.
Excited. Oh my god, I look airbrushed. Oh my god. Okay, let me take this off. I look airbrushed. I love it. Now I see what you mean about not having the bronzer
Just
all over the
everywhere.
face, because I
Yeah.
can actually see like definition.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love how you've done my eyebrows. I never like how people do my eyebrows. The definition.
So that's you.
I love it. And like, is that like a bit of eyeliner in the, I never do that.
So it's the dark eyeshadow from the Shadow Tilbury palette, and just with an angle brush, like pressed right in from corner to corner, all the way into the lash line, and then smudged.
It's almost given my eye like an almond shape.
Yeah. So it's just giving them really nice definition without it looking too strong.
Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god. Sorry, I don't think I've ever seen my like eyes look like that. Oh, why aren't I going anywhere? Look at my jaw.